Good morning, guys. Like the title, we are going to Universal Studio and hopefully we can somehow get in the Nintendo world, but we got a long way there. I live in the suburb and it's like literally like 2 hours away, but I will see you guys there. We have arrived at Universal Studio while City Walk. It's so windy today. Like it's actually freezing. We are in. First things first, it's gonna be Nintendo World. We're gonna run straight there. We lied. Nintendo World is like 50 minutes for the Mario Kart ride, so we are in Hogwarts and we're gonna do the Harry Potter ride first. First little sip. Okay, we did single rider because it's just way quicker and we literally got on the ride within like 5 minutes. We're waiting for the other ride, but this one doesn't have single rider, so we're gonna have to wait a good 25 minutes. Have exited Hogwarts and we are heading to the Mummy now. I think it's time for food soon. I'm getting a little hungry or whatever. Forever single rider, single rider. We on a mission here. I think we gotta get a little snack before we continue on our day because I am hungry.
Yummy.
Single rider. Slay. What are the odds of me not getting glasses? Studio tour vibes.
Huh?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they...
All right, hold on tight, my friends. It's just might be the big one.
Damn.
Other places where it rains a little bit too much, you get mudslide.
Like halfway done with the park, but we still got a couple more to go and we're waiting for the Simpson ride right now. The Simpson ride broke down, so we're just gonna get a snack because hungry again.
Always done it, Swindle.
Well, if we agree, then why are we arguing? Everybody's going. Yeah, family restaurants. That's where the big bucks are. People can have a nice, relaxing time. I got it. Madman Moe's printer cut.
Damn, we ate that up. Hello, we have this. We used our hat from Simmons. The Despicable Me ride was It was interesting to say the least. And now we're gonna wait for the life of the pet, and I think it's only 25 minutes.
That's you, I think. Snowball and do exactly what he said. Unless he says.
Kitty, kitty, kitty! Oh, not cute. 4 p.m. and we've almost done every single ride at the park, but right now we're gonna go into the Kung Fu Panda adventure.
Hey, Shrek here. Okay, step on.
We are getting another little snack. We are getting the Princess Peach peach soda, and then we're getting Luigi green apple soda. Ah, how cute! Ah! Are back at the Simpsons, and then even though we had a code word, but there's no one waiting, so the code word doesn't even matter because there's no one waiting. Okay guys, it is 6:30. Universal Studio has pretty much closed. We're walking out, but we're gonna get dinner around LA. We don't know what it is yet, but probably something warm. So we will see. We ended up at Pots on Fire, and it's basically like a Asian Taiwanese hot pot that's near where we're living. Thank you. Thank you. Woo. Popcorn chicken.
You got me shaking, yeah,